Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. Are you a photo editing enthusiast looking for the perfect laptop to run Adobe Photoshop in 2025? Whether you're a professional photographer, a digital artist, or just starting your creative journey, having the right machine can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best laptops for Photoshop, considering performance, display quality, and overall value. We've tested these machines extensively to bring you honest recommendations that'll help you make the right choice. So let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 16 with the M4 Pro chipset. This powerhouse is perfect for creators who live in the Apple ecosystem. Under the hood, you'll find the blazing fast 14-core Apple M4 Pro processor paired with a 20-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine. The stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display delivers an incredible 565 nits of brightness and covers 81.4% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, making your photos look absolutely spectacular. What really sets this MacBook apart is its insane battery life. In testing, it lasted almost 21 hours on a single charge, significantly longer than Apple's own claims. That means you can work unplugged for nearly an entire day without worrying about finding an outlet. The display produces vivid, richly saturated colors that photographers will absolutely love. Performance-wise, the M4 Pro delivers unmatched power, nearly doubling the premium laptop average for CPU performance. It handles even the most demanding Photoshop tasks with ease, from intricate filters to 3D effects. The base model starts at $2,499 and comes with 24 GB of memory and a 512 GB SSD. Our recommended configuration with 48 GB of RAM and a 2 TB SSD provides plenty of room for all your creative projects. The MacBook Pro weighs 4.7 pounds and measures 0.66 inches thick, making it reasonably portable for a 16-inch laptop. The speakers deliver robust stereo sound, and the webcam is crystal clear for video calls. If you're already using a Mac and want the best combination of performance and battery life, this is an excellent choice. Just keep in mind that upgrades can get expensive quickly, and you're locked into the macOS ecosystem. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Next up is the Lenovo Yoga 9i 2-in-1 Aura Edition. This convertible laptop is a dream come true for photographers who also do digital artwork. The star of the show is the 14-inch OLED touchscreen with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This display is absolutely stunning, covering an impressive 149.2% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. That means you're getting vivid, richly saturated colors that pop off the screen. The display averages 421 nits of brightness, which is higher than most competing OLED laptops. Inside, you'll find an Intel Core Ultra 7 2580V processor with Intel Arc 140V integrated graphics. While this might sound less powerful than some other options on this list, it still handles Photoshop tasks smoothly for most users. You get 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD in the standard configuration. The 2-in-1 design means you can use it as a traditional laptop, flip it into tent mode, or go full tablet mode for drawing with a stylus. This versatility is perfect for photographers who also do digital art or retouching work. The keyboard offers a smooth, responsive typing experience, and the touchpad is equally impressive. The speakers are another highlight, with center-firing placement in the display hinge that delivers surprisingly powerful audio with great bass response. Battery life is excellent at nearly 13 hours on a single charge, giving you plenty of juice for a full day of editing. The laptop weighs just 2.9 pounds, making it one of the lightest 2-in-1s we've recently tested. It measures 12.44 by 8.66 by 0.65 inches when closed. Now, there are a couple of trade-offs. The performance is good, but not the fastest for the price. You might experience some lag when batch processing dozens of images with multiple layers or using advanced filters. But if you don't need mind-blowing speed and want an incredibly portable machine with a fantastic touchscreen display, the Yoga 9i 2-in-1 is an outstanding choice. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Keeping it going with the Acer Swift X. This laptop offers an incredible balance of power, portability, and value. At just 2.6 pounds and 0.47 to 0.51 inches thick, it's one of the lightest laptops with a discrete GPU you can buy. The Swift X14 packs an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. This combination delivers swift, reliable performance for both content creation and even some gaming. The 14-inch Cinecrystal OLED display has a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are bright and vivid, though the display could be a bit brighter at 372 nits average. It covers 79.6% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is solid for the price range. You get 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD in our recommended configuration, which costs just $1,699. There's also a more affordable mid-range model at $1,299 with an RTX 4050 GPU, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes SSD that still offers excellent performance. The keyboard is crisp and satisfying to type on, making long editing sessions comfortable. The chassis is light and thin, so you won't wreck your back carrying it around. In testing, the Swift X14 lasted 7 hours and 33 minutes on our battery test, which is impressive considering the discrete GPU and OLED panel. That's enough for a good chunk of the workday, though you'll want to keep your charger handy for all-day use. The Swift X14 excels at 3D rendering thanks to that RTX 4070 GPU, making it perfect for Photoshop users who work with complex effects and filters. The display does suffer from some glare with overhead lighting, so keep that in mind. Overall, the Acer Swift X offers remarkable value. You get powerful performance, a beautiful OLED display, and excellent portability at a price that won't break the bank. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. This is hands down the best value laptop for Photoshop under $1,000. The base model starts at just $799, but we recommend the upgraded spec at $1,049. For that price, you get an Intel Core Ultra 7 1558 processor, Intel Arc integrated graphics, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and a spacious 1 terabyte SSD. The 14-inch OLED touchscreen has a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels and delivers beautiful, vibrant colors. In testing, the display covered 79.8% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is comparable to much more expensive laptops. The display averages 339 nits of brightness, which is good for indoor use but might struggle in bright outdoor conditions. What really sets the Zenbook 14 OLED apart is its incredible battery life. In testing, it lasted an astonishing 15 hours and 52 minutes. That's one of the longest-lasting Intel laptops we've seen this year. You can easily work unplugged for an entire day without worrying about charging. Performance is snappy and responsive for everyday Photoshop tasks. The Intel Core Ultra 7 1558 handles object selection, brightness adjustments, and color corrections with ease. For basic to intermediate editing work, this laptop punches well above its weight class. The keyboard is smooth and comfortable, and the touchpad is responsive. The audio quality is surprisingly good for a budget laptop. The laptop weighs just 3 pounds and measures 12.3 by 8.67 by 0.59 inches, making it highly portable. There are a few compromises. The integrated graphics mean you won't get the fastest 3D rendering performance, so heavy effects work might be a bit slow. There are no USB-A or HDMI ports, and the webcam is a bit grainy. But for most Photoshop users, especially beginners and intermediate editors, the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED offers unbeatable value. You get a beautiful OLED display, solid performance, amazing battery life, and a wallet-friendly price tag. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
And the best one is the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i 16 Gen 9. This laptop is nearly perfect for content creators, and it's our top pick for good reason. The Yoga Pro 9i features a stunning 16-inch OLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 2000 pixels and a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate. The display is absolutely gorgeous, covering an impressive 105.7% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Colors are vivid and pop with life, making your photos look incredible. The panel averages 373 nits of brightness, which is solid for most lighting conditions. Under the hood, you'll find an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. This combination delivers impressive performance for intricate photo filters, 3D effects, and powerful AI features. You get 32 gigs of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD in our preferred configuration, which costs $1,784. There's also a base model at $1,482 with an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, 16 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigs SSD. The fully spec'd version at $2,043 includes an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H with an RTX 4060 GPU and a 16-inch 3.2K mini LED display.
The keyboard is bouncy and comfortable, making long editing sessions a pleasure. The touchpad is responsive, though it could be a bit less resistant. Battery life is respectable at 9 hours and 51 minutes, which is far better than many similarly equipped laptops. That's enough for most of a workday without needing to plug in. The Yoga Pro 9i handles even the most demanding Photoshop projects with ease. Multiple layers, complex filters, batch processing, it all runs smoothly. The RTX 4050 GPU accelerates hardware-dependent features, making your workflow faster and more efficient. The laptop weighs 4.7 pounds and measures 14.28 by 9.98 by 0.71 inches. It's reasonably portable for a 16-inch machine. There are a few downsides. The audio is disappointing, so you'll want external speakers or headphones for video work. You can't configure an RTX 4060 with the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, which limits some configuration options, but these are minor quibbles. The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i 16 Gen 9 offers an unbeatable combination of a gorgeous display, powerful performance, solid discrete graphics, ample memory and storage, decent battery life, and a comfortable keyboard. For content creators who want it all, this is the laptop to beat. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect laptop for your Photoshop needs. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific workflow, budget, and whether you need features like touchscreen support or maximum portability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Best Product Reviews for more buying guides and tech reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know which laptop you're considering or if you have any questions. Happy editing, and we'll see you in the next video.